Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Makeup by Aaron. Obviously I am Aaron, welcome. If you want to learn how to recreate this makeup look, it's very naturey. Let me give you a look, let you have a look at it for now. Just a little disclaimer, there will be no pictures at the end. I'm trying a new kind of video thing where I don't add the pictures. The pictures will be on my Instagram and my Facebook page. Links will be in the description, and I actually really like it. That's why I can't stop looking in the mirror. Please keep tuned, and yeah, if you're here and you like this video, please give it a like and also subscribe. Let's go through to the video, have fun. Okay, so I'm going to start off with my Avon makeup setting spray because I like to put that under the face, and then I like to put it on top of the base as well. And now I'm going to go on to doing the eyes. Now I'm going to use a yellow, hopefully, because I asked my mother what colour, she picked yellow, so yellow it will be. And I'm going to use, once I find it, so I'm going to use this, what I use as, what do you call it, concealer brush. It's not, it's a eyeshadow brush, but I use that as concealer. From Studio, this is from. And I'm going to use the Avon concealer in medium to use as a base. And then I'm going to put them to the side. Use my damp beauty blender, and I'm just going to move that over the eye just so it gives it more of a seamless effect. So I'm going to grab my Jazuli Premium Makeup Palette. Now I love this palette, it's one of my oldest palettes I have, and it has all the colours you can think of. Okay, so obviously I'm going to go with, so I'm going to set this with a white eyeshadow base from that Jazuli palette with a Real Techniques blending brush. And this is a white shadow, by the way. Don't know if I said it, I can't remember. Take a small eyeshadow brush with a kind of lemony yellow pigment. And I'm going to push that all over, well, just the lid, not up past the lid. If you can see, it's not really well sticking, is it? See? So this is where this comes into play. This is the W7 Get Set White Eyeshadow Base. And I'm going to apply that just directly over it. I'm not one of those who prim and proper and wipes it all off. It doesn't matter if you layer your product, as long as it goes on fine. And just redo what you've just done. So from that same Jazuli palette, I'm going to take a matte green shade on a generic eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to place that on the outer corner and going up, okay? And if you look, I'm not going that far over, I'm just going to place it here, because when it comes to blending, that's how you're going to transfer the colour. So I'm going to take one of these Avon eyeshadow brushes. These are new, review on my channel. Not review, unboxing. And with that, I'm just going to blend it over. And take it up towards the brow. See? And then just with a tiny bit of yellow, so it kind of fades back into the green a bit more, because the green's kind of overpowered the yellow a bit, just here. You want to load that up and then do the same on the other eye, and then I'll come back and show you how to darken just this tiny bit here, okay? So now with a different blending brush, you are gonna grab, well, First off, you need to grab kind of like a pencil brush, but I can't find one. So this is what a pencil brush looks like, okay? And you want that one. And in that Jazuli palette, there's a black. Now, you don't want that much black in this makeup because it will darken it up really fast, right? So just slightly brush it off, like I have just here. Just slightly brush off whatever you add to it. Okay. So you add just a tiny bit of colour to your crease because otherwise it can just darken it way too fast and you don't want that. Now you're going to clean up. Now my way of cleaning up is different to everyone else's way of cleaning up. Some people do a cotton tip, a Q-tip, or whatever you want to call it. I don't know what you call it. I use makeup white. So I'm going to grab my liquid liner and basically I'm just going to go for it. That looks even, so I'm going to leave it there. I'm not going to fuck ass around with it. Then I'm going to grab my Spectre Lash on the number 2. This is from Avon. I've got a lot of Avon products, I like Avon. Yeah. So for my brows, I'm going to take me... No, I'm not going to use this today. I am going to use the A1 True Colour Glimmer Eyes Brow Definer, okay? And it's a stick. And I'm going to use that because sometimes it's a pain in the ass to get your eyebrows really, really even, okay? Okay, so I'm back, my face is painted. Let me zoom out because I'm thinking it's still way zoomed in and I'm not liking the look of that. Is it? It's well zoomed in. But as you can see here, I have kind of tried to do a little like inner wing, but it's not transferred both sides. So whilst I'm on camera and it's zoomed in like that, I'll attempt to match it up. I think that's better, isn't it? That looks a bit more cohesive, yeah? Don't shoot me, it's my first time ever doing an inner wing kind of look, so there you go. So I'm going to go on to doing lashes, and today I'm going to use a single pair of 107 Eyelure lashes. I will show you what they look like in a minute. So they look like this. You can see it. And I'll be using 2 pairs of tweezers. One is a bent one and one's eyelash tweezers. And I'll be using Eyelure glue. Oh, it will touch my eyelid. Ew, my eyeball. So we are going to be doing a brown lip liner with a purple shade on the outer and a nude shade on the inner. Okay, so like so. So then I am going to apply the purple shade. This doesn't have a name, it probably does, but I haven't found it yet. So I'm going to use this purple shade. This is from Makeup Revolution. With this nude shade, which still doesn't have a name, I'm going to put on this centre. Which to me looks very naturesque, and I didn't realise this would work. There you go. On the bottom of the lid, eyes, I'm going to use a white eyeshadow base and set it with white. And I'm going to put it on the inner lash. So bring it down a bit so you can see. Like that, okay? And then with that thin eyeliner brush that I just used, I'm going to use some white pigment. Just to really settle that in. Before I move on to the next step, which would be greening the lash line. So then I'm going to take this out a flat shading brush with that green that we used on top, just for the outer corners, because why not? Okay, so now I'm back with the wig on and my hair is not fucking cooperating. I'm trying to blend the wig to my hair and it's not matching colour at the moment, but there you go. You win some, you lose some. I think I say that in every single video, mate. Anyway, so I put this wig on. It's kind of cut into a bob by me. I styled this. Cat ears are from Claire's Accessories, my husband bought. My earrings are from Greece. Couldn't tell you the shop because I don't speak Greek. So that's the finishing look. So I'm going to finish off with some A1 makeup setting spray, obviously to keep it fresh. Like so, and then we are going to go with a Dominican Republic fan to help dry that fast, you know, smudges. So yeah, let me know what you think. Now I'm guessing this is still very zoomed in, so in a minute I will zoom out, but for now you can have a look and a quick gander at my hair and my makeup all together. Anyway, so yeah, if you like it, let me know. If you're new here, please subscribe. Welcome to the family. I make new videos every week. If you have any colour combinations, any colour requests, any glitter requests, any single dime videos you would like, please leave them in the comment section and I will get them back to you straight away. And until next video, remember, makeup washes off and always have fun with it. I'll see you soon and stay safe. Have fun. It makes me feel so